This is the electronic devices scenarios activity. After you put your name here, let's read the directions. Read the scenario. Circle if you think the student is being appropriate with the check mark or inappropriate with the X in each story. Scenario 1. Susie was skipping across the floor with her iPad by the corner and swinging it back and forth. Circle appropriate. This is how she should be carrying her technology. Or inappropriate. This is not how she should be carrying her technology. Scenario 2. Clifford went over to the laptop Jean was using and exited out of the reading counts test that Jean was working on. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 3. Andy wanted to work on his activity list and he chose an iPad to scan a QR code. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 4. When Kelsey uses a laptop, she always holds it with two hands when she walks to her desk. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Scenario 5. Someone checks to ensure that all the electronic devices are returned to the proper location at the end of the day. Circle appropriate or inappropriate. Scenario 6. Eddie finishes his assignment on front row and has 10 minutes left. He decided to Google Minecraft games on YouTube. Is this appropriate or inappropriate? Next, pick a scenario that you put as inappropriate. Put the number of the scenario here. So each of the cards had a number at the top. So you'll choose one of the ones that you marked as inappropriate, and in the box to the right, explain what the student should have done so that they are acting appropriately. Remember to use complete sentences and capitalize the beginning of your sentence with punctuation at the end. The last card says to pick another scenario that you put as inappropriate. Write the number here, and in the box to the right, explain what the student should have done so that they are acting appropriately.